Welcome to a new nail art tutorial. Today we're doing a very simple design that actually works for winter and summer at the same time. I already applied the base coat and also I painted my nails white. Once the nail polish has dried up, the first step is to apply a light blue sparkly nail polish like so. You could also do this using a makeup sponge, so it's up to you. Now let's repeat the process but using a darker color instead. Clean up any excess on the sides. Let's add some rhinestones over the half moon, and on the sides I'm adding a triangle-shaped rhinestones. I'm using a dotting tool so that it's easier. And that's it. Apply a layer of top coat, seal and protect your design. We are done. I hope you like this super easy design which works really good for summer and winter. I'm saying this because it resembles the sea and the clouds in summer, but it also resembles the icy snowy feel of winter, if you will. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please share to support this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.